In this video, we'll be adding content to the web page. We'll be using add a resource, add HTML, and I'll be showing you the differences between add a label, add a text page, and add a web page. These are the three main ways that you'll be adding content to your course. So please pay attention because they'll be on a test later. In this mind map, I show the differences between a label, a text, and a web page. So the main difference is the label will show up directly on the main page and it's in HTML, whereas text will be shown as a link and it's mainly text, though there is an option to use HTML. And for a web page, when you add a web page, it's also added only as a link and default is HTML. So let's try it out. I'm already logged in and editing is turned on, and we'll go to add a resource. The first thing is I've already set up this little bit of text, basically what I showed you previously, the difference between text, labels, text, and web page. The label is of course main page, HTML, text is a link and it's in text, and web page is a link in HTML. To get this code, we press get contents, and I'll select everything and Control C to copy. Okay. There is an HTML editor in Moodle, but I prefer using the full tiny MCE HTML editor. It has a few more options, which I installed in the OLH Moodle demo right here. Okay. To add a label, we click Add Resource, Insert Label, and label text. I'll just print a label and then paste the code. And we'll save and return to course. And as you see, it shows up right on the main page. And it's HTML code. We've also seen labels before with adding a YouTube video. So now we'll add the same clip but as a text page. Name, we'll just name it text page. Text page summary, and we'll paste in the previous text. Here's where we can change the option from either plain text to HTML, but I'll leave it as its default to show you the default behavior. The other option is if we want to show it in the same window, so clicking in will link to the resource in the same window, or if it's new window, it'll open up a new pop-up window. But I'll leave it as same window, and we'll save and return to course. So here's the text page. When I click on it, it brings me to a different page with the text, and as you can see, it's straight text and not HTML. I'll click back and I'll add another resource, and this time we'll be adding compose a web page. name. Let's just put webpage. Webpage summary. And we'll paste the text again. And in this time, I'll show you the new window, the pop-up window option. And we'll save and return to course. So this time, when I click on the web page, it pops up a new window. And as we can see, it's in HTML. So those are the three ways that we can add content to the page, either as a label, which shows up directly on the course page, as a text page, or a web page.